just jerry rigging the, what do they call it, jerry rig? Is he a rigger? So anyway, I got this on there, and I have a WEN foot pedal down here, which I can activate the saw. This way I don't chop my hands off, and this might be good enough to work. So stay tuned and see if I chop any fingers off. Not bad. I think it goes faster than this. I think there's the little, is there a faster speed? Let's see. So there we go. One nicely professionally, unprofessionally cut. Doesn't really look kind of square plate. Awesome, huh? Put that over there. I will bring you back to the counter there and we'll continue this again.